There is a defining moment in the life of every professional photographer and filmmaker when the gear in your hands either limits your vision or completely unleashes it. For decades, the camera industry followed a predictable, mechanical formula. There was a physical mirror that flipped up and down, a mechanical shutter that clicked with every exposure, and a strict boundary between what a still camera could do and what a cinema camera could achieve. But deep inside the engineering labs, a revolution was quietly being plotted. A machine was envisioned that would completely strip away the moving parts of the past, replacing them with pure, unadulterated computing power and optical perfection. The result of that obsession is a weapon of absolute creative dominance, the Nikon Z9 II. If you think this is just another minor incremental update or a predictable corporate response to rival brands, you are completely missing the seismic shift happening in the world of visual storytelling. We are about to strip away the marketing buzzwords and dive deep into the raw reality of this machine, exploring the terrifyingly fast new silicon under the hood, the psychological impact of shooting with zero blackout, and the exact reasons why this camera forces the competition to completely rethink what is humanly possible to capture. Let us look at the high-end professional camera market with absolute candor. For years, professionals had to make a painful compromise. If you wanted extreme resolution to capture every microscopic detail of a commercial subject, you had to sacrifice speed. If you wanted blindingly fast frame rates to capture a split-second moment in professional sports or wildlife, you had to sacrifice resolution. You were forced to choose a lane. The Z9 lineage shattered that compromise, but the Z9 II completely obliterates the concept of limitations. Built around a revolutionary stacked sensor architecture, this camera possesses a readout speed so incredibly fast that a mechanical shutter is not just unnecessary, it is completely obsolete. There are no moving curtains to wear out, no physical vibrations to blur your images, and absolutely no sound when the image is captured. It is an experience of pure digital immediacy. But a fast sensor means nothing if the brain of the camera cannot process the massive avalanche of data it generates. The customized image processing engine inside the Z9 II represents a monumental leap forward in computational photography. We are talking about data pipelines that handle billions of pixels per second without breaking a sweat. When you hold the camera to your eye and depress the shutter, you are not just taking pictures. You are unleashing a supercomputer dedicated entirely to visual art. The most profound manifestation of this power is the absolute lack of viewfinder blackout. In traditional cameras, the moment you take a picture, the screen goes dark for a fraction of a second as the camera captures the data. That tiny moment of darkness is where you lose track of a fast-moving athlete, where a bird shifts its flight path, or where a fleeting human expression is missed forever. The Z9 II provides a continuous, uninterrupted stream of pure visual reality. What you see is exactly what the sensor is capturing, in real time, at a fluid 60 frames per second, creating a psychological connection to your subject that feels almost telepathic. This computational dominance feeds directly into the most advanced autofocus system ever engineered. Standard autofocus relies on simple contrast or phase detection to guess where a subject is. The Z9 II utilizes deeply integrated, on-device machine